So guys, here we will talk about Pluto TV. Pluto TV is a free ad-supported streaming service with hundreds of live channels and thousands of movies and shows on demand. Pluto TV has announced the debut of number of fast channels dedicated to global and local news coverage across multiple international markets. Fast channel launching on Pluto TV include 4 channels from CBS News Radio Canada set to launch next month on Pluto TV in Canada. It also includes CBS News Explore, CBS News Toronto, CBS News British Columbia and Radio Canada Info. Today, Pluto TV launched 5 new channels, including some Spanish channels. Some of these channels had been announced as coming soon but are now live on Pluto TV. Pluto TV is debuting a string of fast channels dedicated to news, means them on free ad-supported streaming television.